Hello, my name is Mohamed Alaa and today I'll be discussing what space exploration is and why it is worth our cost. So, space exploration is mainly defined as the use of astronomy and space technology to explore outer space. While the study of space is carried out by mainly astronomers with telescopes, its physical exploration, though, is conducted by both unmanned robotic space probes and human space flights. So, how does space exploration benefit us? The direct benefits of exploration include the generation of scientific knowledge, the diffusion of innovation and creation of markets, the inspiration of people around the world, and arguments forged between countries engaged in exploration. Also, the innovation and exploration of the space age served as an inspiration to the humankind, breaking through into space travel, man leaving Earth and defeating gravity, taking steps on the moon, and various other achievements were pivotal moments for the human culture development. So, why is space exploration so important? Well, first, it is a great way to learn about outer space, in which supporters of space exploration claim that exploring beyond the surface of Earth is a great way to learn about the galaxy and find out if there are other forms of life on other planets. Astronauts are also exploring the possibility of man surviving on other planets, which is a positive thing if it becomes possible because of the growing population of the Earth. Second is that space exploration is essential to improve the lives of people on Earth. Due to the advancements in science, we are now able to use satellites to monitor weather, atmosphere, and discover new things which are applied in our daily lives. Third is that it lets scientists look for other possible energy sources. Simply by studying space, scientists will be able to find other sources of energy in other planets. Solar energy, for example, is already being used to provide energy to homes, factories, automated machines, and even satellites or shuttles. So, what is the purpose of space exploration? Well, human space exploration helps us to address fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the history of our solar system. Through addressing the challenges related to human space exploration, we expand technology and create new industries. There are also a lot of companies that have an intended purpose of space exploration, like SpaceX, NASA, Blue Origin, and Boeing. So, in conclusion, space exploration is absolutely worth the investment. It's not only about what we learn out there in space or about ourselves or how to be better stewards of precious Earth. It's about how we live here on Earth together and what type of future we want for ourselves. Also, space exploration brings together different people of various research and science fields and puts them to work on some very difficult problems. The result in this case is seen in useful inventions and discoveries. Thus, space exploration triggers technological advancements and is worth the cost because it benefits the people. Without knowledge of our surroundings, we become vulnerable to threats. The sun, asteroids, and other things around us that pose a great threat. Space exploration gives us a better understanding of all possible dangers we face and our relationship with things like the sun and the moon.
Now, onto some space facts. Space is amazing. The sheer vastness of it, along with the trillions upon trillions of objects in the many billion galaxies of the universe, is almost incomprehensible to the human brain. First, space fact. Space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel through to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Second fact is the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system and it has an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. Interestingly, Venus is not the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet. But because Mercury has no atmosphere to regulate the temperature, it has a very large temperature fluctuation. Third and final fact is that neutron stars can spin up to 600 times per second. Neutron stars are the densest and thinnest stars in the known universe, and although they only have a radius of about 10 kilometers, which is 6 miles, they may have a mass of a few times that of our Sun. They can rotate up to 60 times per second after they are born from a core collapse, which is a supernova star explosion, and have been known to spin as fast as 600 to 712 times per second because of their physics.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.